I found this on the internet, and for those of you who read Chinese, you already know what it is. It's a crystal radio, and it came pre-assembled like this. I just had to put the knob on it. Down here it says it uses a diode and not ore, so it's not using mineral. And this is pretty much it. Yeah, it also came with 2 clips like that, but no wire. So we have the inductor back here. We have the diode down in there. It says it's a 1N60P, which, I don't know, that diode kind of looks like an ordinary Schottky diode. The ground is over here. The antenna is back there. Obviously this is the capacitor. I don't know what that switch does because there's no instructions for it. So maybe it's in that Chinese right there that I missed. And then it has a regular headphone, and I'm guessing that they're using this audio transformer to give us the correct impedance matching for this. Yeah, so all that's left to do right now is take it over the bench and hook it up to an antenna and a ground and see what it'll do for us. Well, I went over and hooked it up to my antenna and I got nothing out of it, not even static. And then I tried a regular earphone, I tried the amplifier, and nothing. And I tried touching the outputs on the different places of the radio. I didn't even get static. So yeah, I'm not going to waste a whole lot more of your time with this. I tried hooking up my signal generator to it at both audio and carrier frequencies. Didn't get static out of it, nothing. So I strongly suspect it's a combination of this very fine wire, ferrite, which if you've seen my last videos, yeah, this is a bad combination. I suspect this is a Schottky diode, which also attenuates signal badly. And I'm not really sure about this circuit diagram. I mean, there's a little tank circuit here. The primary of this audio transformer and this capacitor form one. And then the output on this capacitor and this coil form another. And then they're coupled by this diode and then another thing over here, another tracing over here. But again, I got absolutely nothing. So yeah, can't recommend it. And hopefully, well, I'm making mistakes so you don't have to. Hopefully you won't waste your time with this. Okay, well that was it for this little pre-built crystal radio experiment.